Hello everyone. Today's topic is about cell resistance. Now, as you know, the MegaCell charger comes with cell resistance measurements during the MCAP operation, and it measures the cell resistance using the direct current discharge resistance measurement method. Now, that is quite accurate. We have already captured somewhere around 10,000 cells, and we created an overview of what the average resistance is in that population. And that will be eventually transformed into a circuit breaker, allowing you to filter out high resistance cells as well. Now, the request was also to incorporate an alternative current cell resistance measurement. Now, the MegaCell charger is not capable of doing that, so we've used a external device connected to a USB port to your PC that allows for the cell resistance to be captured post the workflow is completed in the cell database. So let me show you how that works. After charging your cells and stored in the database, you're ready to configure the system to accept the AC resistance tester, which is done through the settings panel. So when you open up the configuration settings and you navigate to the external meters, you select the AC meter and the appropriate COM port, hit apply, and once done you can navigate to the cell database. In the cell database we already had quite a few weeks or months ago the AC resistance column added, which could be added manually, and now that's also automated through this process. So you see here the auto ESR. When you now connect the battery to your tester, you will see eventually the data showing up in the MegaCell charger, in the MegaCellMonitor, and you can basically click done and move on to the next cell. If you like what I'm doing and you want to see more and have other things developed, please check out our Patreon page and support us going forward. Alright, thank you, have a great day.